Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of Parenting with Akinropo on Legacy Hot. Today on episode 8, I want to share a few nuggets on how parents can replace wrong modeling with right modeling. You see, most of us that are in active parenting today either belongs to Generation X or millennial. We were raised mostly for industrial revolution, and to now think that we want to use the mindset of industrial revolution to raise today's kids who are mostly Gen Z is a classical example of wrong modeling. So what must parents do going forward to correct this malady? I have two suggestions for parents here. One of them is the knowledge of emotional intelligence. You see, Gen Z believe life is easier and quicker for them to navigate technologically, but more difficult to navigate emotionally and psychologically. They belong to a generation that is more anxious and restless than the generations before them. So the knowledge of emotional intelligence is going to regulate their behavior. Number two, Gen Z are entrepreneurially inclined. They want new challenges. You know, they love business. They want to create their own experiences. They want to own their own companies. They love knowledge transfer. They don't want to, they've seen the experiences of us, the parents that raised them. They've seen the experiences. They've seen how limited we've been economically, and they don't want to replicate that in their own experience, in their own environment. So they need new challenges, anything that will earn them legit money. Gen Z really care for that. So it is our duty to expose them to knowledge that can equip them very well for them to really flourish in that space. It is our duty to expose them, but not to impose our own ideas on them. So these two nuggets, I believe that they are very good for us to do. But the caveat here is not all parents are well equipped to really give them this knowledge, to transfer this knowledge for them. So it may involve us, really getting the service of professionals to do this. If need be, we can do this. So till I come your way again tomorrow with another common error and mistake in parenting. This is Parenting with Akinropo on Legacy Hot. See you tomorrow. Thank you.